I would be placed at the bottom of the list.
I still have 4 pieces.
Next week daw sa Yes!
My outfit today.
Hi!
I'm going to school. It's raining so hard.
Kaya daw tig-istikikan ni Palvita, ma-picture siya.
Yo-yo.
What's that? Explain it to me.
It's a camel. I will explain then.
First,
This is the firma of Francine. What is that? This is Payong, umbrella. And then this is from Marjorie. It's Gripo.
Gripo?
Yeah.
But, yeah.
And then this is from Raya.
Hey guys, I am going to the center/apartment of our church because of, I have a meeting to attend. So this is my situation right now. I am currently studying. I still have 4 cases to finish. I only finished 2. It's currently 10:59 p.m. It's 11 p.m. And I think I need to sleep So hi guys, good morning. I am getting ready to go to school. Look at my eyebrow. Today is what day today? It's Thursday, guys, and I am going to attend my first subject, which is Senesos. Get ready with me.
Kuya, ano color na ako na blue na yung ano natin, final? Final? Signature? Blue?
It's 7:46 a.m. and I have a 9 a.m. class. So yeah.
Basta ang green. Sige, black na lang.
What if blue?
Or blue. Ano mas prefer?
Pwede ba blue?
That was my eyebrow. Look at this. I don't know what happened with this one, but yeah.
Ano na lang. Sige, unahan mo ano.
Dorado?
Sir, Miss Auditor.
Acercan?
Teresa.
Guys, I am going to school. My outfit today is
The composed songs written in Bicol. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Isa na pati bastang udo, bugris, ini nga na nagkukuriyat na dyan sa bitis mo. Tapos makusugod pagod umaga dun sa classroom. Dangan apo dun ako. Nyano kuya mong gibuhon ko dyan? Kamuton ko. Ako pa magkuha sa imo.
Para nga ni tubig sa...
home alone. Today, alat lang. How do you feel today?
So very happy.
How about you?
I feel like I am free.
How about you? How do you feel?
Ako'y tuwang-tuwa.
Yes, guys, we don't have a class today in Mijalo. Yeah. So yeah, answered prayer, you know.
Ito ang himala.
Answered prayer. How do you feel today?
I feel so sad kasi Thursday na.
Uy, walang Mijalo. Wala na Mijalo. Wala man ang ganag sa GC. Pailing nga. O yan o. Pailing nga.
Pailing.
Wala man be. Guys, we are so happy. Ano sa feeling? Be!
Yes. Bakit masiba kayo?
So hot.
May dalang ang magpagay. Makinom ako. Pagabon. Next week daw sa Sigurn. Mag-practice na daw sa amin.
Sa?
Yung mata.
Wow.
Kita mo na, hindi. Ito si Sir Amanda.
Guys, we are
Hi guys.
Ana. How do you feel today? Magiyon.
Wala, utik daw. Pakita na una.
Magiyon nga. Doon na.
Ay, ulit. Pakita na una.
Oh, go. How do you feel today na walang pasok?
Super happy ang babae. Bakit? Walang Mijalo.
Paano yung happy?
Pag-tip ko kayo na hindi nyo alam. Before, yung London, natigasabi. Wala ko alam kung paano pulisyon ng isa. Tulong mo. And nice to meet you everyone. Are you part of this?
We're done.
Kita
We're going home.
Oo. Ang na wala man sa
It's going to rain later. Hi guys. I'm going to the school and after that I'm going to go to the gymnasium to play badminton. Daog kita, at least maayos. Guys, we are on the way to the
Hi guys, away day in
gym
life as a
because we're going to
broadcasting edition.
Play badminton. Guys. Picture kita mamaya. O, to duman sa unahan pang gymnasium.
Mukha natin mga exercise tayo.
Sa unahan pang gymnasium.
Hi po! I'm here at Bosing Gymnasium.
Are you ready to play volleyball?
I'm feel so very nervous right now because there's a lot of freshies that have a potential to
Very,
be part
very
of
good.
Bukal volleyball team. So whatever happened, I'm so proud of myself.
How about you? How about you? Chilling. Yeah. And yes, guys, we are here. We are going to change our clothes into sports, you know. Got my eye bag. I'm so stressed, guys.
Sana di pumasok sa pantalon ko. Ate, what if? My dams.
Guys, we are scared of the uod. Oh!
Operation Uod.